Hello, and here we go. In this video we will see my new big 3D printers frame and build platform. You can see how big the frame it is. So we will see how I build and what care you should take while you are building your frame and platform. I will tell you the single aspect as per dimension and all the details. Coming closer, this is a longest 2020 aluminum profile. So this is around 850 mm. This is around 350 and this is also 350. So base wise it is a square, and you can see height wise it's very big, so that I can get the print area of 300 by 300 by 600. We will see how I connected these profiles to each other. All these dimensional details you will get from PDF in the link description below. You will come to know that at what distance you have to connect these aluminum bars, and at what length you have to cut this. So you will get that dimensional details from 3D PDF. If you are not understanding, let me know in the comment section below, so that I will guide you. First we will discuss bottom and then we will go to the top. This is a build platform, so we will discuss it later. So this is how using the corner brackets I have connected this aluminum profile. So I had two types of corner brackets. This is a L type corner brackets and this is a 2020 aluminum casted corner bracket. So this is a steel one. At every corner I have used this combination. If you are using the both aluminum, this is fine. One big mistake I have done, that I have cut this aluminum profile using the cutter, and this is ductile. So that's why, because of the heat, cutting area is not flat. So that's why I faces many difficulty while attaching. So if you are cutting these aluminum profiles, use the simple hacksaw. It will take time, but the flat surface you will get, and there won't be any difficulty while joining. I use as many as corner brackets so that I will get the rigidity. I have keep this space here, so that in future if I want to place the electronic component, that is SMPS or anything, so I can connect it at the bottom. That's why I kept this space little lower. So this is around 8 to 9 centimeter. Coming to the top part, this part I couldn't cut straight, because I have cut it using the angle grinder. That's why if you are cutting with the hacksaw with proper alignment, so you will get that straight. To this portion we are not going to attach any axis. So I have used two more profile at the right and left side, so that my Z axis and Z guide rods and lead screw are going to be attached to this bar only. My Y axis is going to be here somewhere. My Y axis is going to be here, and my X gantry is like this much around, and this is moving in middle of the 3D printer. If I connect the lead screw to the here, then my height of the build object will get reduced by this much amount. So that's why I will connect the lead screw and Z axis guide rods to this, so that I will get use of full extent of lead screw. And this is the total build volume that I will get printed into this. So my Y axis is going to be connected over here between these two profile, this one and that one, and my Z axis lead screw and guide rail rod will connect it to this bar and bottom one, this. So this is around 600 mm length, and this is around 320 to 330. So initially I will build only one Z axis, that is of the left or right side, and in future I will connect both the Z axis. I have not kept Z axis at the back and front because of the accessibility. I will not get accessibility because of this Z axis coming front and back. So that's why I kept it left and right, so that I will get easy access to the builded object. Coming to the build platform, this is a build platform. So as you can see, I have connected only one profile here at the back, and at the front I will connect afterward because of lack of the sufficient length. Currently it's look like a cantilever, but in future it won't be a cantilever. I will attach this also. I will keep aluminum bed over here. This platform is going to move like this. My platform will move up to this only. It won't go up to this because of the X gantry, and our extruder will come. So if you have any question regarding this, let me know in the comment section below, so that I can answer you. And in next video we'll see the further improvement in my 3D printer. So stay connected with me, and if you not seen the previous videos, go back to the previous videos and first see them, so that you will be in a one sequence. Thanks for watching.